how to withdraw money from CDBaby. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from CDBaby. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to cdbaby.com. And if you haven't signed up for CDBaby yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, going back in here, if you don't know CDBaby, it is an online distributor of independent music, offering digital distribution services for artists, in which it provides a platform for independent artists to distribute their music to various online music platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, and many more. And now, to access this platform, you can click the Get Started button, and you will be directed on this page. And from here, to create an account, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as email, username, and also password. And after filling out all of the required information, the next thing that you need to do is to verify your email address. So just go to your email inboxes, and from here, just proceed by clicking this button, Verify Now. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the dashboard of CDBaby. And as you can see here under the dashboard, it will show you the other details or info about your account dashboard. We have here Distribute, Manage, Featured Tools, and also your balances. While on the top panel, it will also show you a variety of options that you can navigate, including the Support, Account Settings, and also Logout option. However, on this video, I'm just going to show you how you can withdraw money on this platform. But as you can see, we have 0 balances, so that means we have nothing to withdraw. However, in withdrawing your money or balances on CDBaby, you also need to set up your payments and tax info. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to click Account Settings on the top panel and proceed by clicking Payments and Tax Info. Then you will be directed on this page, in which under Payment and Tax Info, you are required to enter your banking information and enter your tax form, and proceed by clicking Add Payout Method right here. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information under General Info, starting from account type, your first name, last name, and also your date of birth, and also you're required to select your country, your address, including your city, your region, and also your postal code. And after filling out all of the required information, just click the next button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you have the two options to select a payout method. We have here bank transfer and PayPal. And by selecting bank transfer, it will show you that the processing time is 5 to 6 business days, while the estimated fees is 2.5 USD. And to proceed, just fill out all of the required information below here, including your bank address, bank city, your bank province or state, and also your account number. And it says here that the important note that you need to provide your full name or business legal name for businesses, exactly as shown on your bank statement, and failure to do so may result in a return or delayed payment. Or alternatively, you could even choose the PayPal as the payout method, in which the processing time is the same day and the estimated fees is only $2. And to proceed, all you need to do is to enter your email address of your existing PayPal account and to confirm the email address of your existing PayPal account. And also below here, it will show you a note to ensure your PayPal email address is correct, and PayPal may charge fees to receive or withdrawal funds. And now, just click Add button to proceed here. And after that, it will show you that the payout method has now been submitted successfully. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to submit a tax form by simply clicking this button right here. And from here, it will ask you the tax form selection, and you have the choices such as I am a US person and I am not a US person. And since I am not a US person, I'm going to select this one. And then below, I'm going to choose I am an individual. And proceed by clicking the Continue button, and you will be directed on this page, which is the certification of no US activities. And by checking the boxes right here, I hereby certify that I am not a US citizen I am not a resident of the US, and I am not dual citizen with one citizenship being US. And also by checking these boxes, meaning I provide services exclusively from outside of the United States. And now to proceed, just kindly enter your name in here. Then just click the Certify button to proceed. And after that, you will be directed in here, and all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as under Identification of Beneficial Owner. You are required to enter your given name, family name, to select your citizenship, date of birth, and also to enter your permanent residence. And after entering your personal info and also your addresses, if you scroll down below here, it will show you under the taxpayer identification that to claim treaty benefits, all you need to do is to fill out your foreign tax identification number and or your US taxpayer identification number if you are a US resident. But since I am not a US person, I'm just going to check these boxes below here that indicate that I will not or am unable to provide a tax identification number. And just click Continue button to proceed. And it says here that please note that because you have not provided a taxpayer identification number, you may be subject to 30% withholding on payments. So just proceed by clicking the Continue button below here. And now for the last stage of tax form, under the certification, all you need to do is to check all of the boxes on the side that you agree to all of this certification and also all of the terms and conditions about this tax form. But make sure that you also read the certification before checking the boxes. And now to certified, just enter your name here. And after that, just proceed by clicking this Complete W8BEN button right here. Then just click Submit Form to proceed. And as you can see from here, the tax form submitted successfully, which means that your payment preferences are now set up and you have completed a tax form. And now that we completed the payment and tax info, the next thing that we need to do is to kindly click the Save and Continue button below here in order to save all of the changes that we just did. And upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page, which is the payout calculator or the pay point, in which it will show you how much does the tax and estimated fee will be less to your pay point. So if your pay point is $25, you will get a deduction of $7.50 US dollar, and an estimated fee of $2 will also be deducted to your pay point. And the reason for the 30% tax is because I am not a US person and I don't have a tax identification number to enter. And to use this pay point, just click this Use this pay point button right here. Now moving on to the dashboard of CDBaby. From here, if your balances is enough, you can now proceed by withdrawing all of your balances to your PayPal account. So that is just basically how you can withdraw money from CDBaby. Thank you.